This is my last chance to give you all that you asked for, needed, always wanted. These words from my darkest secret place, they don't ever know where it's coming, where it's going. Life beyond the tenses, the life beyond my senses. I don't know if this will give the answers I need to show, but a ghost has come, and now ego is on the run, running out of time, running out of rhymes. Never again. I won't doubt this moment. I won't doubt, I won't shout, I won't put my microphone down. I will never be back in the place where I found myself, in a puddle of tears. Now I'm stronger, a creative force that you can't stop, in a frequency you can't stop me now. No more. I've got it all in a diary, in a little book upon a shelf. Everybody wanna know where I got it from. These words, where they come from. The answers have come. A quantum realm, another dimension where you can find yourself in another suspension. I find myself out of my body every time I come to find I've switched. Can't stop, I don't ever leave you without a chance to be a clue to you. I gotta see it through, not just for you, but for me too. We're gonna make it to the top. We're gonna make the question stop. I don't give my mind to the things that you'll be putting on my likes or dislikes or comments of what you wanted to hear. Cause I got a little secret for you. I like to hide and seek and play peekaboo with the real me when things I go through. A series of unfortunate events with the contents of what could be seen as suffering, but it's just pain. I converted that long ago. Gotta convert it with the quantum realm of the multiplicative inverse of the numerical coefficient. Gotta turn that frequency around. It's going clockwise every time it's going down. But I got an issue that I gotta tell you, that I gotta find a cure, and it's coming right now, right here. All the things that you needed to hear. A quantum realm frequency flip that you can't get out your mind. Cause when I share these times, gonna hear it from the bottom of my heart, gonna hear it from the top of my lungs, gonna hear it from the secret ego extinguished version of me. Everybody wanna know if I came from a thorny tree that's been hurting me. Yes, I admit I might have had a trauma here and there, but I gotta tell you this bit right here. Healing is in the air for you, for me, for ourselves. Come through to this frequency. Wanna find it with me? Don't know if I'll be free from the trauma cycle that engulfs me, but I gotta tell you that there's hope for you. If you listen to the cue, I'll tell you what to do. Gotta share my problems so you can find the solutions of yours. Every time you gotta find yourself on the floor with the tears going down, you'll hear this sound, a frequency with a unique vibrance, and I'll be the reason why you're free from the tragedy of your story. It's a melody written in a frequency that I gotta get out of me, so you can be free, be free, be free from the suffering that's just a perception that's misconstrued. It's got to be mentality converted to see it's just a phase so you can get through. But you gotta go through, cause you gotta go through what you gotta go through. It's your human design, it's the stars that we're aligned that's telling you Being lost is just in your mind. You gotta look at the stars and the moon and the sky, 'cause they know, they know, they know deep inside that they try to hide the truth, but we all have a lifeline or two. Ended up based off the decisions you committed to. I ain't gotta tell you, it's in another verse. I'm here to give you some solutions, some answers. Here to give you the reasons why you gotta be finding the answers in the stillness and the realness. Feel me, real me. Gotta find the melody that cures the tragedy of your story. Might not cure mine, but I don't give it my mind no more. I won't devote these tears to the floor. I'm putting down in lyrics from my diaries. I'm putting them down in my rhymes. I don't have the time to waste. We gotta find out how to get this human race on the path to grace. I don't know if it's a race, 'cause I gotta slow it down every now and then. But I got the cures in these answers and these verses, and I'm gonna give them out, give them to you and you and you and them and them. Who are they? Who are they to tell me what to do? Whether they have an answer or two about what I should have done with these lyrics. But instead, I'm gonna give them to me to set them free. On a mic for me, on the stage to come through to the pews. Where's this talent coming from? It's above everything I ever knew. But I see all the shame in your eyes. I see all the suffering that you ever had to go through. And thrive, please find those answers in this moment. I cry for everybody that's ever gone through these things. But I got an answer, a solution of some sort. An elixir filled with all the concoction of the survival stories that I had to go through. 'Cause unfortunate events have happened to you, but I gotta tell you that they never stopped happening to me. But here I am, I'm on a higher level of another dimension. Gotta get you to another dimension of consciousness. It's about to be a manifestation nation. I've got these little secrets, and I'm gonna give them out, Gotta scream and shout what it's all about, and your mind will find what I'm talking about. But I swear, I'ma be prepared to tell you I ain't got nothing to hide. Here's the truth, the real rap truth. I'm serving it to you on a platter, and I'm giving it in every version for the greater good. Gonna find out whether I should or should not say these things out loud about mental health, spiritual life, and the enlightenment paths. On the other side of it, I'll be there with the torch and prepared to tell you I don't need a crown. I've told you time and time again, I gotta tell you the truth on a real truth rap. It's gonna come down from the tears in my eyes onto the paper that never existed, 'cause these lyrics came alive without a chorus or words to be told. I gotta tell you this on paper so I can unfold the truth that lies with you and know it's true. You gotta find out what's it gonna be next time when I make history that we are the cure. The future is a mystery, but you flip that multiplicator embrace in the universe, and I'm gonna give it to you each verse that I know what's going on with you, 'cause I've been through it all. And I tell you, we can compare stories, but you might have a doubt whether I've been singing all this just to pout. But I got a different situation going on. My mind was split from something that I can't give in the song, 'cause it's about you. I need you to get through that your story is more important to me than mine telling you what you gotta do. But I know the solutions that I found in the stillness and the realness gave me the chance to get through what I went through. But you gotta go through what you gotta go through, grow through, flow through, and know it's only about to be a manifestation nation that only rings the truth of this manifestation nation. it ain't about you. This is the biz, I can do this 9 to 5. I'm telling you, it's my frequency, meditation, vibration that I gotta put on you. Cause I've been telling you all these things you need to know. Cause I know we gotta grow. Feel me, real me. Feel me, real me. So I ain't gotta tell you no more. This is my last chance. This is my last chance. This is my